Hello and welcome to VLADA'S place. Today I'm showing you how to quickly make a homemade tomato soup. So let's start with a half a cup of olive oil. To that we'll add 2 tablespoons of flour and allow flour to cook on a medium heat for just about 30 seconds before you add Hungarian paprika. We're going with a half a teaspoon of Hungarian paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and a tablespoon of sugar. Allow it all together to cook for additional 30 seconds before you add 1 can of tomato sauce. Alright, we're going to allow sauce to incorporate with the oil and spices really well before we add 2 cups or 2 of these cans of chicken broth. All that's left is a half a teaspoon of the powdered chicken bouillon. While soup is simmering on a low-medium fire, I will prepare grilled cheeses. This is a bread we baked earlier today and it's really fluffy and very soft. So we'll just start grilling the bread, and I'm going to check on the soup, which right now it's looking really good. So I will let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes before I turn the fire off. Grilling bread is simple and easy, and it's a great addition to soups like tomato soup. You add a little bit of high quality cheese and maybe some leftovers of a grilled chicken breast, and you got yourself a quick and delicious dinner. Fire is off, and while the soup is cooling, I'm going to finish up the sandwiches. So this one is going with the grilled chicken, and the next one I will use some of the hamburger meat that we grilled last night. They will be both delicious. Put down fire level. Creating quick dinners like this is a great way to reuse ingredients from the last night's dinner. So if you don't have grilled meats, you could also use ham or cold cuts you might have left over from a day before. I don't know anybody who doesn't like a good grilled cheese, especially if it's done on a home-baked bread. I love adding fresh parsley or fresh basil to my soups. And since I don't have any in the garden at the moment, I'm using some of these green onions. They will add both flavor and the texture to the soup. And here we are. This is one delicious and healthy soup for you and your family. If you like quick recipes like these, please subscribe, because we will be bringing a whole series of 15-minute meals throughout this year. Also, keep an eye on our television program through your public access television stations. Thank you all for watching for now, and until the next time, take good care of yourself and those around you.